Members of the board of CHPC established this award not just to remember Ibo, but to ensure that his memory would inspire a new generation of housing professionals committed to making life better for those in need and helping to improve communities. In selecting Jessica Katz, we know that we have chosen someone whose work reflects that commitment and dedication.
From the very beginning, the adversities that Jessica and her family faced would in turn inspire hope to so many denied basic freedom. In the 1970s, Jessica and her parents were some of the many Soviet Jews denied permission to leave the Soviet Union. But there was a special problem. Jessica needed medical care. Without it, she would die. With the direct help and personal intervention of Senator Ted Kennedy, her family was allowed to leave and come to the United States. And even though they immigrated to Boston,
which we can forgive initially,
eventually New York City would claim Jessica as our own. She would find her way, as so many of us do, into the world of building housing for homeless people and others with special needs. This is a unique subset of the already complicated and difficult world of housing development. Deals are even more complicated. Financing must combine funds not just for the building's construction and operation, but also for the services that people need. Finding sites and overcoming misunderstandings in local communities presents special challenges.
But Jessica always remembers, as our friend Laura Jervis, an early pioneer in supportive housing, always reminds us, it's not about the numbers, it's about the dignity of a single human being. To Jessica's parents and family who are here today, I think they're sitting over there, we hope that they understand that we give Jessica this award today in the name of a much beloved member of our housing family. Because of her amazing work, her commitment to housing, those most in need, her dedication to public service in New York City, and because we know we can count on her to remember Ibo in her work every day and to pass it on to others. On behalf of our entire committee that works on the Ibo Balton Award and the Board of Directors of CHPC, we are delighted to present the Ibo Balton Community Planner Award to Jessica Katz.
Hello. Thank you so much. It's such an honor to accept this award today in Ibo's name. Ibo always had such a clear vision for the Harlem that he loved so much, and he never let anything stand in his way of achieving that goal. If you walk through the neighborhood today, it's easy to see the results of Ibo's hard work and determination. My deepest thanks to Geraldine and the CHPC board for giving me this award today. I'm incredibly grateful to have this fulfilling career and a wealth of colleagues who have taught me so much. And I just want to thank a few of them. Tim O'Hanlon, who saw my potential and taught me the ropes, how to see the whole chessboard, and your truisms echo in my head a lot as I navigate how to get things done in government. Eric Enderlin, who has also been honored with the Ibo Balton Award, who's the most supportive boss who I could possibly ask for, and I've learned so much, and I'm so grateful to have you as a colleague and as a friend. Finally, for many years, I never made a career decision without first consulting Alan Epstein, and I know I'm not alone in the room when I say that we miss him dearly. Thank you also to my fantastic team and colleagues at HPD, who are the hardest working people I know. And I want to thank my incredible husband, Moshe, who's always in my corner, and I'm so lucky to have you by my side. I don't know how many of you in this room today consider yourself to be advocates for the homeless and disabled, but the affordable housing that you all create is the only viable solution to homelessness. And if we want to create livable communities in New York, we have to do so in a way that allows everyone to live in dignity. These are things I believe to my core. As many of you know, I'm fiercely committed to this work, and at times I refuse to take no for an answer. For those of you in this room who have been on the wrong end of that, my mother and father are here, and so you can just take it up with them. But I am very happy to have 2.8 generations of my family here today. In my current role at HPD, it requires me to bridge between homeless policy and the bricks and mortar to close deals while also educating communities about homelessness and mental health. And as I stand up here and receive this great honor, there are 60,000 people close to that are homeless in New York City. This is a Community Planner Award, and since you've given me the chance to stand up in this room in front of 1,000 people, I have to take this opportunity to ask the rest of you in joining me to make sure that our vision of community includes everyone, even those who can't speak up for themselves. Thank you so much.